Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your trading knowledge with Investopedia, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Investopedia website. Once you're on the home page, navigate to the education section. Here, you'll find a variety of resources tailored to different skill levels. Select the topic that interests you most, such as stocks, options, or cryptocurrency. Begin with the articles designed for beginners to build a solid foundation. Take notes on key concepts and terminology as you read. Next, practice what you've learned by using Investopedia's simulators. These simulations provide a risk-free environment to trade virtually. After becoming comfortable with the basics, explore advanced topics. Delve into specialized articles and tutorials on complex strategies. Consider watching Investopedia's video content for visual learning. Videos often break down complicated concepts into easily digestible parts. Engage with community forums on Investopedia to gain different perspectives. Ask questions and share your experiences with other traders. Use the financial calculators available on the site to analyze potential investments. After gaining more knowledge, create a trading plan based on your research. Monitor your progress and adjust your strategies as necessary. Continue to revisit Investopedia for updated information and new trends. Regular learning will ensure you stay informed in the ever-changing market. By following these steps, you will gradually enhance your trading knowledge effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.